Lucia Mewtwo EX and Solgaleo GX Gold. No, I'm not too sure about this thing. I guess they're still gonna put 300 yen in it. And then, oh, so you got a bunch of cards. Okay, so I got this thing, which for 300 yen, I don't expect to be much. I can't even open it. Why would you put fucking duct tape in it? Oh, wait. So let's see what 300 yen actually scored me. Okay, this thing, this other thing, still energy, some Orsi, Houndum, yeah, Nidoran Nidoran female, something, this other thing, energy. So yeah, don't waste your money for this bullshit.